Have you thought of a YouTube channel audit? Having a successful YouTube channel is a badge of pride. It seems as if everyone is using the platform these days, and some content creators consistently get the formula right. Unfortunately, this principle doesn't hold for everyone, and you may be stuck wondering what you are doing wrong in the YouTube sphere. Your channel may not be growing at all, and even if it is, its pace may be way too slow. This slump is a severe problem, especially if you are looking for YouTube to be a lucrative stream of revenue for your business. Low numbers of subscribers, views, and conversions don't cut it. What do you need is some level of improvement, and getting there may be not as difficult as you think. You should probably consider a YouTube channel audit. You can think of it as an evaluation of what you're doing wrong. Once that is complete, the information collected is used along with verified YouTube strategies and measurable targets to get you going. Though there are many areas in which an audit can help you to improve, there are 5 that stand out from the rest. I can guarantee you a comprehensive review process based on these principles. 1. Channel branding. Branding is much more critical part of content creation than many YouTubers realize. The strategy you use and the thumbnails you create can make the difference between success or failure, where YouTube algorithm is concerned. In completing an audit, I must review your channel branding's choices. These areas include your thumbnail, your descriptions, your video tags, links, upload settings, etc. The idea is to bring you to a place where your channel is represented with the most optimal brand image possible. 2. Channel experience. Remember that your content is created to appeal to your target audience. Therefore, if your viewers get the feeling that what you are uploading is not for them, views are going to drop. Your audience need to perceive some level of value in your videos before you can grab their interest. 3. Search and discovery. As I mentioned before, the YouTube search algorithm is a vital process of the viewership puzzle. It is based on Google technology, which means that it uses a comprehensive analysis of search terms on several levels. Apart from having an appropriate thumbnail and title, your channel must tick all the checkboxes to search up early in search results. These components could include proper channel and video categorization, search engine optimization, description tweaking, etc. The chances are that if your numbers aren't as high as you'd like them to be, your channel isn't showing up as much necessary for viewers. I'm here to remediate these problems so you can get as many eyes on your content and to know how to improve your YouTube channel. 4. Promotional opportunities. A part of my audit process is to see where you stand and to get you started with the best promotional opportunities and the best YouTube channel recommendations that you can use to bring your channel to a continued success. 5. Competitors research. If you have successful competitors in any industry, the chances are that they are doing something right. Putting these and other principles into place allows you to achieve a better video optimization mix. The audit process is designed to study your competitors and put you ahead of them. Why wait? If your videos are not performing as well as you'd like them to be, you may need a YouTube channel audit. Take this opportunity to schedule a free consultation so we can review your content creation needs and provide you with a full YouTube channel review.